Hello, everyone. Toxic Squid here at it again, and this is my little bird. She's still a baby. This is Luna, and she's a sweetheart. Yes, she is. Now, she's being very sweet right now. She's squeaking a little bit, but she's being a sweetheart. Yeah, she's a good sweetheart. Yeah, she is. Look at that baby. The good girl. Yeah, but see, she's still a baby. So, like, it's easier to tame birds, especially any kind of bird, when you get them as babies. Now, you see, she still has a bunch of lines on her head. Her pupils aren't dilated. She doesn't have white rings around her eyes yet. And I do believe when she gets older, as you can see, her feathers are going away a little bit. Up here, it's starting to turn yellow on her head. When she's fully grown, it'll be all yellow up there. So she's just a itty bitty little baby bird right now. Yes, she is. She's a good girl. Let me pet your foot. So sweet. Look at that sweetheart. Yeah. But yeah, she is an adorable little bird. Very calm. Very, 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 very loving. Yep. She lets me give her kisses. She likes to snuggle with me. But right now, she's squeaking at me for some reason. Why are you squeaking at me, baby? He's so sweet. Oh, she's a sweetie. Alright, guys. Well, I just wanted to show you Luna. And thank you guys for watching. Please smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and peace out, guys.